Hello there, it's Monday the 17th of December. I just thought I'd give you an update on our last update, and that's about the repair to the trim panel under the door. I wasn't altogether happy with the repair, as you may have gathered from the video, so I took it back to the garage this morning to talk to the owner about it, and we had a look at it, and he agreed with me that it needed redoing. So you're going to redo it, and this time they'll take the door off and get the trim panel properly tucked under the door and do the sealing properly. It was missing sealant where there should be sealant, and there's sealant where there shouldn't be sealant, so he's agreed to redo it, which sort of took the wind out of my sails a little bit, but I'm pleased that they've offered to redo it, so no extra charge to me or an insurance company for that matter. And so that's good. It's just after we come back from our little tour with the Bailey, our 2-week tour with the Bailey Motorhome. So a little bit of there'll be a little change in our schedule, but I think we'll be able to sort that out fairly quickly. So yeah, give us a thumbs up for this video, and remember to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and we'll catch up with you very soon.